10 to 15ths. Welcome back to 3D Decode. In this video, we'll cover Plan 53B and 53C nuances, plus Plan 32 flush sizing. We'll keep it practical for Pump C&E controls, theory, worked calcs, a mini quiz, interview Q&A, and a hands-on task. Learning There 1. Plan 53B, piston accumulator, pressurized barrier system. VO. When to choose. Long tubing runs, higher temps, orientation insensitive, and a tighter pressure band than 53A. How it works. Gas and barrier fluid are separated by a piston. Barrier is kept P-bar seal by a PCV charging system. Pros: stable pressure, tolerant to mounting orientation, easy level pressure instrumentation. Watchouts: gas precharge and piston friction. Accumulator gas side volume must cover expected leakage runtime. Add a cooler if heat rises. On screen, set points. P-bar, LLLL, trip on LLL in hazardous service. L-bar, reservoir, LLL, T-bar, AHAL, quench cooler actions. Relief to safe area. Pressure band, seal plus 1.5 to 2 bar. 2. Plan 53C, pressure booster intensifier, pressurized barrier system. When to choose. Wide seal variation, turn down, long lines. The booster tracks seal so P bar equals K seal plus delta. Pros: automatic tracking, reduced operator touch. Watchouts: booster ratio K and supply limits. PSV on barrier side, ensure fast response and clean barrier fluid. On-screen set points. P-bar, SP equals KP seal plus delta. LLL trip, LAL alarm, L-bar, T-bar, cooler. PSV set design rating. Verify booster min-max. 3. Plan 32. External flush, clean fluid injection. VO, when to choose, dirty polymerizing poor lubricity fluids. Need clean fluid at the faces. Golden rule, flush door seal plus margin. Monitor flush and quality. Filter coalescer. C&E, low flush or flush equals 0 with timer. Trip and hazardous services. Alarm and benign service with operator action. Calculations, worked clean and quick. A 53 accumulator size for runtime leakage gauge shever. Given, seal equals 16 bar G. Choose margin plus 2. PMN is 18 bar G. Set PMAX equals 22 bar G. Absolute, PMN A equals 19, PMAX A equals 23 bar A. Leakage equals 3 C per min. Runtime equals 12 H, delta V equals 2.16 L. Isothermal gas, same as 53A math. Piston just separates fluids. Do V equal VG min min and 1 minus PMAX of VG min of E that 1 minus 1923. 12.42 L. Add top to 25% margin 15.5 L gas side. Select shell accordingly and set precharge 9.9 P min. 53C booster ratio check range. Fe equals seals 822 bar G. Choose K equals 1.2, margin 1.5 bar. P bar equals seal, P bar min equal 11.1. P bar max 27.9 bar G. Ensure all 53C components rated DECODE design, e.g. 35 bar G. PSV set, just above P bar max, but component rating, e.g. 30 bar G, project specific. Plan 32 flush flow sizing, valve CV or orifice. Target, Q flush equals 5 L point, SG equals 0.8, del P equals 2 bar. Control valve metric shortcut, Q metric per hour equal 0.865, del P SG, C.061, tiny small needle rotameter. Fixed orifice, Q equals CDA8, 2 del P RI, CD 0.62, through 800 kilogram per meter, D 2.77 millimeters. Handy diameters at 2 bar, SG 0.8135, 8 L's per min, 1.24 for 2.1417, 3.5 millimeters approx. If delta P increases, diameter falls. For 5 L's per min, 3.29 millimeters at 1 bar, 2.5 millimeter 3 bar, 22 millimeters, in fact 5 bar. Mini quiz reply in chat. Why might you pick 53B over 53A for a remote skid? 2. In 53C, what does K represent in P bar equals K seal plus delta? 3. On 53B, which condition should trip the pump in hazardous service? Pick one. P bar LAL, P bar LLL, L bar LL. 4. For Plan 32, why must flush seal? 5. If your assumed leakage doubles, what happens to the required accumulator gas volume? Practical task P&ID sketch, paper whiteboard. 53B, piston accumulator, gas side gauge and charging valve. P-bar transmitter with LALLL, L-bar level switch. T-bar, cooler, PSV to safe area. 53C add booster with ratio K, upstream seal tapping, PCV to set depot, PSV and cooler. C&E rows write these exactly. P-bar LLL, 53B 53C 2S, trip pump, alarm log. Flush low, Plan 32 10S, trip pump hazardous, alarm log. T-bar touch, alarm, open cooler bypass per design. Sizing worksheet, your numbers. 53B, choose leakage, CC min and runtime H, compute delta V and VG min with the formula above. Add 25% margin. 53C, pick K and delta for your PCL min max, compute P bar min max and a safe PSV set point. Plan 32, compute CV or orifice D for 1 to 5 lil min at your delta P. Interview Q&A, tight and practical. Q 53B versus 53C key selection driver. 53C tracks variable seal automatically. 53B holds a fixed band, good for steadier seal long runs. Q, common sizing error on 53B. A, ignoring leakage runtime, undersized accumulator, wrong precharge, no relief to safe area. What if 53C booster fails low? A, P-bar drops below margin, C&E should alarm, trip, LLL. Open minimum flow if needed, log. Plan 32 quality controls. A, filter coalescer, dew point spec, flow monitoring, interlock low flush per hazard level. Why instrument barrier temperature? High T-bar accelerates seal degradation, triggers cooler bypass action and alarms trips. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode. Drop your quiz answers below and tell me which seal plan you want a full P&ID build for next.